What is a plant-forward diet? Hi, my name is Rafi Taherian. I'm the Associate Vice President of Yale Hospitality. Let's talk about this great alternative to your diet. A plant-forward diet is a style of eating that emphasizes and celebrates minimally processed, plant-based food. This diet consists of fruits, vegetables, nuts and seeds, legumes, whole grain, and yes, even a little bit of responsibly produced meat. The idea comes from Mediterranean diets where animal protein is not at the center of the dish, but is instead used as a flavor enhancer. Unlike a vegetarian or vegan diet, it doesn't restrict your eating. A vegetarian diet completely eliminates meat, poultry, and fish, and a vegan diet excludes all animal products or byproducts. A plant-forward diet thoughtfully refocuses the meal on vegetables and fruits without eliminating animal products. A plant-forward diet is better for the planet and better for you. Animal-based food have a bigger carbon footprint than plant-based food. Plus, eating a plant-forward diet has been shown to reduce the risk of heart disease and type 2 diabetes. I have 3 recommendations. If you're following vegan or vegetarian diet, good for you. Just please don't rely heavily on super processed meat substitutes. Number 2 is be adventurous when it comes to food. The majority of people on this planet use fresh herbs, spice, fermented food, and all sorts of other cooking techniques to create delicious, healthy, and bold flavors. Try it, you might like it. 3, if you're moving toward a plant-forward diet, start with things that you know you like to eat. If it is not delicious to you, you won't be able to stick with it. Remember, it's better for you and better for the planet.